Welcome back. We have returned. What's going on? What's going on? All right, welcome. Paul, good morning. And Elite Traders, welcome back. Tony Chan, good to see you. Fresh Delgado, what's up? All right. All right. Ready for the market open. So let's start this off. Okay, what happened? We have previous day low still there, and new day, new opportunity. I 100% agree. And we have the 406 up there with a fair value gap, which doesn't really mean anything. Currently, we swept this fair value gap on the 1 hour from yesterday. Returned to that, made a new low for the day. So we might going to return higher if this is the manipulation phase, but I'm not sure yet. There is a 1 hour fair value gap up there. Let me put this away, and this one too. Some remarks stayed from the London session, but let me put this right here. So that's a 1 hour CB that could be still a possible target. Right now we are inside of this 15-minute gap. Could be going way up there. We'll see. Markets are about to open in 50 seconds. Good morning, MB Trader. Hope everybody is ready. I hope you guys are ready. And by the way, check out the new MyFundedFutures plan. We're going to talk about it later. Anyway. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We're going to have a market opening bell. So cover your ears, the ding 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 is gonna come. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, everybody. Be careful. What's happening here? Are we going to return to 37? I see 37 as a possible area that this one can go, hopefully. Not really sure. But I would think it can. But if not there, then let's just go and check out some other levels. Maybe a little lower. Oh my god. What is happening? Nothing. Okay. For a little bit, I thought that I entered the trade. But I didn't. Okay. Repricing a small gap here. So far, it seems like a drop is taking place. What else do we have? Alright, nothing special. We might gonna drop down to the 42s. To the 40, well, yeah. 42-ish area. Let's wait for that. If it wants to take out previous day low. Yeah, that's like at 45. So far, a little bit of a selling pressure, not too much. Good morning. Almost straight to funded. I mean, it's basically like a straight to funded. You're gonna get payouts on those levels, so check out. I put it out to the Discord as well. But the new milestone plan, yes, it's almost like a straight to funded. Technically it is. Oh, forgot to say hello to Dario. Hello, Dario. All right. So, are we going to see some selling pressure? So far, I don't see any direction here in this movement. So, nothing so far that I like or whatever. You know, we can return to that gap up there. I mean, gap this 1 hour level at 37. If it wants to go there, might not gonna go if it starts to drop. I have no trade, no position. I'm just watching these levels. Where can this go? Hard to say. I'm almost certain that it might want to return to that 1 hour gap. But I'm still not sure. Good morning, MMM. Yeah, that was a nice trade, yeah. A little bit of a frustrating trade. I was a little bit lucky there, but I had my reasons to take the short again. But it was a good one. It was a fun trade. The 5-minute and the 15-minute technically created a doji candle, so uncertainty right now. Up there, this one is a 1 hour CB. 1 hour CB. If it wants to reclaim that level. It has been taken once already. But it can still go. The magic number would be around 37, I think, if it goes up there. Nathan, hey there, yo. Okay, the 1 hour CB is getting closer now. Maybe not close enough. Let me delete this line. Okay. What else do we have? Do we have any news? FOMC member at 10 a.m. Okay, that could be interesting. Hard to say where could be the drawn liquidity right now. It's really hard. Having fun on silver? Let's go. Needed a break, yeah. Yeah, I completely understand. Sometimes we need those breaks from the markets. It might not be strong enough to go. ES is sorta a little bit weak. Feels like it wants to drop. But I don't know. Might gonna go higher. Let me check some levels on ES as well. Let's see some levels here. I mean, we have this minor buy side. Not too important. I don't think it's strong enough to be taken out the 45, at least not yet, until we don't know the direction. And we have previous day low. As long as ES is weak down there, I don't think that we're gonna see the move that we're waiting. But so far, I think the drawn liquidity is in this 1 hour CB. At least that's what I think. You know, the mid-level, the 37, would be, in my opinion, a possible area to go for. There was a high somewhere at, what was the high? 36. I don't know. Rejected. Gotta check something in Rhythmic. I don't have data. Here. I have to log in and check something really quick. Engineer sell side. I agree. I agree. You know, waiting to be taken out. But I want to check something in Rhythmic. Why do I have a data issue? Oh. What? I don't know what just happened. Anyway, we went up to the CB that we were talking about. Yeah, they should be swept. I agree. I agree. Look at that. Just going higher. Slow grind, but it's going. I was trying to look for some kind of an entry, you know, before this 1 hour CB is reached. But now you know, as far as it's going to continue this way, I'm going to delete this and this. Buy side at 510. If this is going to continue. Buy side, new week opening gap at 84. Hello, Trader Zoltan. Hello. So new week opening gap, and then up to Asia highs, maybe all the way. Trying to look at the big picture, but I don't really see anything special. We have some London highs from here. You know. I don't know if anyone is having any issue, but for example, I cannot connect normally to the Rhythmic servers. Let me know if you guys are doing okay with the data. But so far, I don't know. Seems a little bit weird. Kishik, hey there, 488. Yeah, I mean, that could be, yeah, the London high could be a good target here. I'm still wondering if this one's gonna go. And take that out or not. It was a strong push. Maybe not, or not now. Jesus. I just entered to a silly scalp here. Okay, I closed it. What's the high on the mini? 88. I'm not sure if it's gonna go through. I'm not sure. It's getting weaker a little bit. You know, drop could be happening. uh Well, nothing. I'm gonna pull back down to the 20s. Let me check ES again. Yeah. Slow grind. Hello, Venom. Good to see you. Yeah, see if we get the delivery. Not sure, you know, it took out the low hanging fruit. It might gonna need a pullback at this level. I really don't know. At this point. Actually, I'm gonna put a line there. Just to see possible buy side liquidity. Is that at 88.50? Yeah, it's not going there. It's just not going there. It's getting rejected, so it might reprice all the way down to the 20s. It's just unable to go. Going straight down. Maybe we're gonna return to sell side soon. If we are unable to push. Yeah, macro is... Now it's working, so it's sweeping. So it's doing its job. But the question, where is it gonna go? So far, nothing special. London high is intact. The 15-minute so far, well, The rest of the time frames, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, was an efficient price delivery. No fair value gaps, really. But we do have some higher lows down there as possible sell side. Morning, Vivian. Hey, Pashka. Welcome. Feels a little bit weak. Looking for some kind of a candle formation here, but nothing really that I like. I don't know if it's going to be able to push it once more to London highs up there. That's right in the new week opening gap. At the 88 level. Not sure. Went a little bit lower, but not sure about this. If it can even go to the 80s. Nothing on the mini. Don't see anything special on the micro. Could be a classic short entry, the U2 2022 short entry from this area. You know, can go short, super easy. But nothing that I like so far. This move got me out of the negative. Let's go. You know, at least in profit, you know, that's all that matters. You made it, and that's all that matters. Feels a little bit weak, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. If it would be making a nice drop, I would maybe consider to take a nice short and target some sell side. You know. But so far we're stuck. You're scalping. Let's go. About to drop. Yeah, I think so too. I might gonna be ready for a short if it's. But I mean, it's not just enough to drop. I need a proper setup, but I need a proper setup for that. It's not enough for me just to drop. But I think it's gonna. Whatever. Keep on waiting. A lot of wicks. That's my problem. And we're gonna have the 10 a.m. Candle in about 25 seconds. Not sure what it wants to do. Silver bullet hour at least. We will see some direction maybe. We have the new hour. Come on, show us something. At least a nice drop. Come on. I think the FOMC member speech is right now at 10 a.m. It's just so hard to deal with this. I don't know what's gonna happen. Shorting, let's go. What would you recommend for straight to funding? You can try the new ProfiTrade or the new thing with MyFundedFutures. It's technically straight to funded, the milestone plan. If you use my discount code, you can get, I think, 5% off, because that's the biggest discount, or 5 or 10% off, 10%, I think. It's basically straight to funded. So one of those two, I think you can try it out. It's a good deal, actually. I'm gonna definitely try to go with the milestone plan with MyFundedFutures. I'm gonna buy one for sure, or two. One or two. All right, now we could see the drop. Come on. It's not able to take out London high. So if it's not able to take it out, then take the elevator down. Let's go. Take the elevator. I just would like to see a nice entry. That's all I want. You're welcome, GG Trade. May 25, let's go. 25 is profit. I'm still waiting. I can't seem to figure this out of what the heck is going on. What is ES doing? ES is also trying. But not too much. Have to get out from this range. Sloppy choppy, yeah. Patience, yeah. Yeah. Just gotta wait. I can't really decide what's it gonna do. Is it gonna go for London highs or... Seems like a London highs. How about that? I have no trade. Actually, I can show you I have no orders. Oh, not this one. No orders here. And now finally we took out the London high. Finally. Finally. And going straight up to Asia high, which is 518. Now let's see if maybe we can have something. Wix is 22. Let's go. Let's go, Pashka. That's how you do it. Okay, Asia high. Look at that. It's basically been Asia high almost being deleted instantly. I mean, look at that. How fast reaction here. A breakout instantly from this area. You look thrilled to be on the chart. I am actually thrilled. Asia high is still not taken, by the way. What do you guys think? Are we going for it or not? Not sure if I want to go into a trade here, even for a scalp. I'm not sure. But that 18 level is sure in danger. The problem is I have no entry. I was looking at this level here in this 1 hour CB, but this bullish candle didn't trade through, I mean, above the previous one, so no entry there for me. And these here, none of those are my entries, but it seems like we're going for Asia high and then into the 15-minute CB, I think. There you go. It just broke through. So we have it. You hit your 50-pointer. Nice. I actually looked 2 trades today because first didn't quite full TP. I needed that extra. Congratulations, real folks. Nice there. You know, it's a good thing you actually have a plan. 50 points, and as soon as you have it, you're done. You don't need to push it. And I think it's an excellent plan. That's an excellent plan. Oh, you sent me a chart. Nice, beautiful. I see your chart there. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice trades there. Hey, hello teacher FX, what's up? Man, good to see you. I'm glad you dropped in. So, anyway, we're inside of the silver bullet hour, and we still have some targets up there. We might want to take the 526, who knows. Excuse me. And that 15-minute CB is still there. Repricing back down a bit. Nothing. Yeah, right in the middle. So should be a decision point here that has to be made. Drive a truck for a living, and like the boss said, deliver what you can. Yeah. 7 points off, so or so from the first attempt. You gotta love it. Dude, congrats. It means that you're sticking to your plan, your discipline. That's all that matters. That is all that matters. I think he's focusing on the chart. I think he's still holding a long position. And he might be holding it until up there 54, I think. No, it's not even a joke. I think he's really holding it until 54. Where is the CB? It's at 24. So it should be breaking through the 20s. If it wants to reprice that area up there, just to go for it. That's the only place where it can go still. That's the only liquidity level it can go to. Or sweep some lows. Still above the 500s. Asia high taken out. No, actually Asia high is still there, but not sure for how long. The only level that's left is that CB. But that's it. Nothing else. $5.94. Could be, but then it has to be real quick, just to burst through on that level like super fast. Not just this highs, but the CB as well. but it's not able to push through. Right now, still at the new week opening gap high. Trying to figure out if this one is going to do anything at all. Is it done yet? Or not? Now below 500, back to the gap. This might be it, you know. Okay, so if it goes down, how far can it go? Are we ready to, you know, maybe take a nice sell or whatever? Looks weak. It might not be able to push it through. So what kind of targets do we have? We have the 30s, the 430s if it wants to drop. I do like that level actually. Okay, are we gonna waterfall down from here? Let's see. Yeah, so I'm really interested. What's it gonna do? might have to reconnect here because I'm still, I mean, having delayed data and anyway, let's just wait. Okay, we might see a possible push back up there. All I see is that the rhythmic connections are having issues here. So I don't know why is that. All right, it's pushing back up there. Well, basically we're stuck here. And by the way, the rhythmic connections are horrendous. I mean, I'm getting delayed connection both on Apex, a little bit on Bulenox too. I don't know why is that. Try to reconnect. I don't get it. I don't know why. We're just hovering around this level. I still think we have some buy side to go for. But back to the new week opening gap, and we're just stuck here. You know. Okay, here's the push. Feels like it wants to go, but I don't know. ProfiTrade is soon you. I don't know if you know. But how long can I hold evals that I passed without? I think you can hold it as long as you want. I mean, not sure. Hold on, not sure. I think you can hold them, but you might have to trade once every week or something. Not really sure about that. That's a good question because they're not monthly fees, so you might have to push the button once every week. But that's a really good question there. That's a very, very good question. Actually, I haven't really think about that before. But you might have to hold it. I mean, you might have to push the button once every week. Maybe support will answer if you send an email to them. I might going to ask them as well. Looking for what's going to happen in this area. We still have time until the macro, and we still have time from this silver bullet hour. So let's just wait. a little bit more. The CB is still up there at the 24s. I don't know if it wants to take it or not. First, it has to break through the highs at, I don't even know, the 18, 19 level-ish. So, has to go through. Yeah, I can't because they disappear once you hit the profit. Oh, well then that's a support question, definitely. Elevator down. We'll see. So far we're just going sideways in this nonsense. But yeah, it might gonna be an elevator situation. I have no positions, just saying. Feels weird. I don't know what price wants to do at this area. This is typically the place when everybody gets chopped up, you know. Everybody is getting chopped up. Yeah, we have to wait for the macro, and this is just gonna go sideways until then. Gotta be careful. Not much to do. It is what it is. We still have that CB up there, which is kind of okay. But we still have that. We have that 466. I guess there is some sell side below that minor sell side if it wants to sweep something. You know, the macro can go down and sweep those levels. But I still like the idea to go for that 15-minute CB. Not the best conditions, that's for sure. No, I'm flat. I have no trades open, actually. Orders, positions, I have nothing opened up. I'm just waiting. This is typically something that I don't want to be in. I don't want to participate in this. I don't know for how long it can go on like this. We had some good levels, obviously, and the start was good after the 930 open. Now it's just a little bit like, you know, it's a little bit crazy. Oh, I forgot to put this fair value gap here. This should be or could be the 930 fair value gap. Oh, not this. 930 fair value gap. Okay. I mean, what's the range here? 28 points. I feel like it just wants to sweep the 66 down. But it's all about patience. What macro? I'm referring to the 10:50, 10 a.m., 10 a.m. 50 minutes. So it's gonna be in about 8 minutes, 7 minutes actually, almost. Maybe that's gonna sweep some positions, some orders below 466. Who knows? Yeah, the next hour candle is still a little bit away. Look at that. We're going for the 66. Gold. I haven't checked on gold, honestly. Don't know much about that. Actually, we can look quickly. It looks bullish. I think it made an all-time high. Yes, I think it did. Oh yeah, it did. So it's still bullish, and I think it's going to continue higher. But I have no positions, nothing here. It's going sideways as well. This one should be sweeping the 466. I don't really think I want to jump in. This candle formation here was looking okay. 94. It went down 10 points earlier. But I think it should be sweeping the 66 area down there. That would be logical, you know. To take that. Not sure though. Almost went down and took it. But at the end, it didn't. I think I'm gonna buy some Apex accounts right now, actually. Yeah, and you know, if it continues to grind, then the next stop should be 41.50. I need to get some Apex accounts. I want to build up some more funded accounts with them. I think the 1 day pass is still on. I think. Not sure. You're flat? Yeah, I'm actually, I was thinking to so I was when all this consolidation was up there, I was thinking to maybe go short at 1036 for this low, but I didn't, of course. But anyway, look at that. We might drop down to 441, 442. Oh man. This is a slow grind. Slow grind. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm also a little bit. Let's just say I don't know. I absolutely lost traction of this price section right now. It feels like it wants to go back down, maybe. Now that the macro is kicking in, it might want to go down back to the 930 fair value gap. Might do that. Maybe on an evaluation account, I might do something about that. So I entered a small position to go down to 42. Actually, I'm going to go down to 43. It's just a scalp. 43. If it goes down. I think the drawn liquidity currently in the short term could be down there because of this drop. I'd like to see that happen. I like that area, so this is the trade. Only on evaluation, this is not unfunded. Just wanted to see the 930 fair value gap reclaimed. But seems like it's not gonna go. Hey Scar, what's up? Nothing special. It's a bit of a slow silver bullet hour, so really nothing special. Might have to close. I was trying to scalp a position here, but I think we're gonna go higher, so I close my position right now. And if we go higher, then this should be going all the way up to, well, into the CB if it goes. What's going on with you, Scar? You're good. All right. That is great, man. That is great. Again, it's a little bit of a slow grind here. Trying to figure out where could be the draw on liquidity. Seems like ES is also trying to grind higher, maybe target the 58.87 area up there. Yeah, things will pop sooner or later. That's why I'm curious if this one wants to push higher, as ES is also looking to go higher. I don't know. Trying to figure this thing out. On the 5-minute, there was efficient price delivery. So that being the case, the logical way to go is the upside on this current price action. Not sure. Slow day. Slow day. Going short. All right. Yeah, we could drop as well. Let me check the 1 hour chart real quick. I mean, if we look at it, we're still inside yesterday's range. So that's an interesting fact. If it starts to drop, we should go below the 930. Or at least reach for the 941-ish level. Let me delete this line. We're inside the new week opening gap still. I wonder what's it gonna be. Reclaiming the mid-level of the 930 gap or going lower down here to the 15-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna put a fair value gap down there. Nothing on the mini. That's interesting. Still inside the new week opening gap. There has been movements. I disagree. There has been movements today, or price really moved here and there. Well, there has been movements. There was movements actually. I wasn't in for the ride. Is the problem. Well, yes, there was some good movement. So definitely there was. Short at 500. Let's go. Careful. so at this area, I would say this is a high resistance liquidity run if this is the target up there, that's CB. But if not, then, you know, I mean, we're just past the 11 a.m. session. Let's see what it does. Slow grind, slow grind. I'm watching delay data, so I don't know what's up. Just doing some tape reading. Tape reading is good. Tape reading is something that's actually helps to become better. Good practice. So honestly, this area looks a little bit like it's too weak. I don't like it. You see, price is having a difficult time right now as well, just to go up there. If it fails, we do have some good targets. Should go back to 460. Yeah, I think it should. I think we should see something here. Look at that. Maybe this is the move. Look at this candle. Nice bullish candle. Looking good for a one-to-one risk to reward trade. I like it so far. We have some equal highs up there. Not sure if it wants to push it, but still back inside the new week opening gap. Super hard to read this. Hey J-Man. Yeah, it's super slow. Hard to say anything about this price action because it's just so slow. Do you use premium and discount? Yeah, I look for those levels. So basically we are in a premium right now, in the daily premium. That's true. That being said, it's a little bit interesting what's happening now. We still have the 930 fair value gap down there that could be reclaimed. And yeah, you know, just sweeping some lows down there. It could do that super easy. It's a very slow grind. There was a fair value gap here. Might be this was something that the market was looking to reprice. Oh, man. No unbalanced price range down there. Very small, tiny fair value gap below 62, actually. But that's all. Nothing else. It's like 15 points away. Very, very, very slow. It's almost slow. It's like an inversion gap below 62. That could be reclaimed. A+ Trader, good to see you back. How was your trading day so far? Tell me something. I really hope you guys made some profit. Secrets of the Unknown, hey. Tell me, how long does FTT take to process payouts? Now it's about 1 month. Now it's around 1 month. How long? Yeah, so 30 days usually. Actually, I'm waiting for a payout since 30 days. But I said this in the London session that I really hope that they will fix everything. But if they're not going to fix it on the first week of November, I'm not sure if I can stay with them, because it's just too much going on right now with FTT. But I hope that they will fix it. I really hope, and because I like the trading model, I like the system. Could delay data issue for free. Anyone has an eye? Well, you might be able to open a demo account at MFutures, and then maybe you can see the data. You know, I think they can give you a demo account for free for 30 days or something. So I would go for that. You know. MFutures, if you open a demo account, or you can just actually search for futures brokerages who offer demo accounts, because some of them offer you free data for some time. Maybe NinjaTrader also can give you some free data, you know. On day 4 of my passing 6-day ProfiTrade 15 accounts using, oh, thank you so much, A+ Trader. Thank you so much that you're using my code. I appreciate it really, really much. A+ Trader means a lot. And I wanted to say something. I forgot. But anyway, thank you for using the code, man. Really appreciate. You met your target, waiting for a flip. One more day. Let's go. I don't know what's going on right now. Is there some news here? What is this spike here? Back to the new week opening gap. Feels like it might just go again to the highs. Who knows? Quite a push. There was a gap here. This one. I'm not sure if it has or had anything to do with this. So what's it gonna be? Any payout before? Yes, I received in early in September. Earlier, my first and second account, actually my third. So I received earlier payouts, but my last payout I submitted on the 19th of September. I got approved, and then I had to resubmit it, but that one is still pending. I mean, not pending. It got approved and it got deducted, but it's just waiting, you know. Just waiting. So I'm gonna wait until about the first week of November. Hopefully they will sort it out. I really hope so. That would be super great, super awesome. But I know that a lot of people are frustrated right now because of the delays and all that such. I don't know what the hell is going on here, but this price action is just very, very, very slow. All right, should we try FTT or not? I think you should wait with FTT. That's what I would do. You should wait until November. So if you want instant funded account, I already have 3 funded accounts with ProfiTrade. Go with them. But in terms of FTT, wait for November. Just wait for the November. That would be the safest way to go. So if you guys want instant funded account, currently I would go MyFundedFutures. Future has an instant funded account now. It's called the Milestone plan. So you can get a discount. It's a brand new plan. You guys can check it out. The Milestone plan, you basically instant funded, and when you get to some of those milestones, you can get a payout. So check it out. I also put it out to my Twitter. It's brand new as of today. You're flat? All right. Well, I don't know what to think of this price action so far. Stuck here. A little bit of liquidity below, but so I think we should be taking out this inversion gap here, right there. That's the draw on liquidity. And almost there she goes, but not quite. Gave me a sim account with live data. Awesome, Scar. That is great. That is great. Yeah, I wasn't sure if NinjaTrader or MFutures. I'm not sure how long the sim account is valid for. Maybe for 30 days or 2 weeks, but or 2 months, 3 months. I don't know. Not forever, but hey, maybe you can just register with a different email or something. I don't know. There she goes. And now we took that level. It's enough. All right. Okay. Oh, you were running shifts. Okay. Well, seems like this liquidity has been taken. This was the low-hanging fruit. It was a bit of a grind to get down there. Look at this, how it reacted on this gap. Went down, immediate reaction. Now it might want to go back up there. It might want to go up there. We'll see. Going long. All right, well, just be careful, you know. Actually, now that it took liquidity here, you have a possibility to go long from here. You know, 1 to 2 risk to reward could be up there. So I would say you have a good chance. Look at that. You have a good chance to attack the highs again. Lunch hour is still ahead of us. So anyway. Looks good for a long. I agree. I don't know, guys. Yeah, trade small. Gotta trade small. In these conditions, I mean, look at this. There's nothing much else we can do. But to be honest, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm a little bit tired. Sorry. I'm a little bit slow. So overall, I'm up on evaluation accounts too. I'm trying to build Take Profit Trader account and MyFundedFutures account as well. So check it out. Take Profit Trader has no activation fee currently, so go check them out. It's absolutely a good choice. And the Bulenox today is still 83% off. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's expiring today. And ProfiTrade instant funded accounts, if you want to get instant funded. Apex Trader today still off 80%. And MyFundedFutures, guys, check out the milestone plan. Instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. If you use my code, you get a discount. All right, basically an instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. All right, check out the milestone plan. We're gonna talk about it tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a long day for me, but it was a good day. And the link, there is so hold on. Just a second. I don't know where. Just a second there. I'm gonna paste it if I can. Actually, the link is down there below the description, and also, but I want to link you. I want to get you a picture that you can study. You can. It's actually also on my Twitter, so I'm just actually going to get you 2 links there. Check out the new plan. Just a second. I'm gonna paste it to you guys. I think it's worth to look at it. The instant funded account plan from MyFundedFutures is, I think it could be a game changer, especially against the competition. Here's one link, and here's the link for my Twitter, and then there you can find the you can use my code for it, basically. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow in London session, and see you guys soon. Take care, be safe, and thank you for supporting. Cheers, everybody.